Hey, good Friday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this May the 17th, 2013. A warm day on tap for us today, but temperature's going to start to come down just a smidge as we head through the weekend, and also increased rain chances as we head through the weekend as well. Let's take a few shots from the Skycam network this afternoon. Here's a look from Onslow Memorial Hospital down in Jacksonville, looking back off towards the east. Just a nice afternoon. Few high-level thin cirrus clouds this afternoon, but like I said, they'll start to build up as we head through the evening hours. I think we go more towards a milky sky, very similar to yesterday, with sky conditions across eastern North Carolina. And here's the look from the outside the weather window here at WNCT TV studios in Greenville. Not too bad as well, still with a few high-level thin cirrus clouds, and that's about it for us. With a little light breeze, light and variable this afternoon across eastern North Carolina. Here's a look at the water vapor imagery for this afternoon, and upper level low basically sitting on top of the Missouri Boot Hill. Short wave down beneath that's bringing the potential for some severe weather across the Tennessee River Valley today. Also, severe weather potential up into northern portions and of South Dakota and North Dakota, and then we also got a severe weather risk across central Texas once again. This is the low that we're going to be watching the next couple of days. It's going to bring the severe weather tomorrow across a good portion of the Central Plains, and then eventually translating into the mid-Mississippi Valley, heading towards Sunday and into Monday as well. Once again, here's that severe weather risk, slight risk from about Jackson, Mississippi up through Huntsville, Alabama, also from about Wichita Falls all the way down towards Abilene, and then we've got another one out towards Aberdeen and Pierre, South Dakota, out towards the northern portion, out towards Cody, Wyoming. So we've got a couple of severe weather risks today, and we're in the general risk for this afternoon here across eastern North Carolina. That's mainly for those afternoon showers and thunderstorms that we're expecting here across the east. All right, time for some modeling. Here's the 12Z run of the 4-kilometer NAM output, and you can see on the NAM a little bit drier than what we saw yesterday. This is valid for 8 o'clock tonight, and like I said, not expecting a whole lot of shower and thunderstorm activity, but there's going to be the potential there, so I don't want to rule that out this afternoon. So as you're driving home tonight, be on the lookout. You might have to run into maybe a random shower or thunderstorm going through the evening hours of tonight. We'll fast forward to 3 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, and the NAM's outputting some heavier downpours up towards the north into Virginia as that frontal boundary starts to move into a more moist environment. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a few showers tonight, mainly north of US 64, and the main threat of showers and thunderstorms today is going to lie north of US 70 today. So we're not expecting a whole lot south of there, but nonetheless, anywhere across eastern North Carolina, a random shower or thunderstorm not out of the question. Here's 7 o'clock in the morning, and still with the chance for showers and thunderstorms for the Outer Banks, also for the Finger Counties, and now along the Inner Banks as well. So scattered rain chances will continue as we head through the afternoon hours of your Saturday. Here's Saturday afternoon, and like I said, going to be random scattered chances. So if you have plans tomorrow outside, don't cancel them, but you need to have the backup plan just in case one of these showers comes up and you get the bad luck tomorrow afternoon across eastern North Carolina, and will translate into your Sunday afternoon, and definitely a chance for some showers and thunderstorms. That's underneath that upper low that's going to be translating into our neck of the woods on Sunday, and that's going to allow for a little bit more uplift that could bring us a better chance for showers and thunderstorms, I think at about a 50% clip on Sunday. Temperature output from the NAM, I think this is a little warm. I think we'll be mid-upper 80s this afternoon. It's still going to be a warm day with the sunshine that we're seeing. But like I said, maybe a few clouds get in here, and that's going to hold down the temperatures just a smidge as we head through the afternoon hours. We go into tomorrow morning, waking up mid-60s. It's going to be a warm start to the morning, so we won't have very far to go as far as temperatures are concerned tomorrow afternoon. We go into the afternoon hours, and like I said, we'll be up into the low mid-80s tomorrow afternoon. Deep southwestern portions down towards Duplin County, Wayne County, those are likely going to see the best areas to see some mid-80s, low 80s as you head further to the north, as that boundary starts to make its way down towards the south and southeast. Go into Sunday morning, still a warm start, temperatures mid-60s, closer to the coast, possibly closer to the 70-degree mark. And then Sunday afternoon, this model a little bit cooler than what the GFS and the Euro are painting. Actually, the European very close to this number, close to about 77, 78. The GFS painting about 85. We're gonna make a compromise, go 81 on Sunday. But better chance for showers and thunderstorms as that upper low moves on top of us, but they will stay scattered. It's not going to be an all-day rain. Alright, here's the 12Z output of the GFS, and once again, there's your upper low here, and that's going to be moving towards our neck of the woods as we head towards the middle portion of the weekend. Here's Saturday afternoon. We've got the tomorrow we've got the Shred-a-thon down in Morehead City, Greenville, New Bern, and Jacksonville. So hope a lot of people come out tomorrow and shred some of your important documents that you don't need anymore. But as far as the rain chances, still going to be on the low end, but we're going to be seeing those chances for showers and thunderstorms throughout the day tomorrow, and still going to be fairly warm. Like I said, temperatures still in the low to mid 80s tomorrow afternoon. And the upper low starts to move on top of us at that point, and that's going to enhance some of the chances to see some rain chances as we head towards Sunday. And like I said, that's likely going to be the best chance is going to be on Sunday as the low actually moves on top of us. Look at the ridge back off to the west, though. This is the upper low that's going to be creating the severe weather issues across the Central Plains going into Saturday and also for Sunday as well. So definitely going to be a nasty situation for those guys out there in the Central Plains. We go into Monday. Still with a little bit of impulse on top of us, but I think we start to clear out at that point as the ridge starts to rebuild back on top of us at that point. Not going to see very much in the way of variability from that. Still with a chance for showers and thunderstorms that afternoon with that little system. Here's Tuesday afternoon, ridge on top of us, little impulse. That's more so looking more like a few showers and thunderstorms that day as well, with temperatures in the low to mid 80s. We translate it into Wednesday. Ridge on top of us, high pressure, or right off the coast. We see a little moisture, but I think there's going to be just enough subsidence on top of us on Wednesday that we can go mostly sunny and maybe just a sea breeze shower that afternoon. So that's something to watch for. But like I said, more than likely Wednesday is going to be the banner day with temperatures in the low to mid 80s. We go into Thursday. Look what happens here. We get another trough trying to make its way in here as we head towards Wednesday afternoon. That's going to bring us maybe a slight chance for a shower, but I think we stay mainly dry for Thursday. And then going out towards Friday, the trough dives southward. At this point, I think we'll introduce a chance for some showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder on Friday. The European model a little bit more aggressive, a little faster with this system, and actually brings us a chance for showers and thunderstorms along a cold front. The GFS not so much. It's a little bit more conservative in that fact, but I still think that we could see a decent shot for seeing some showers and thunderstorms. And at the end of the period, we have a little trough on top of us that could enhance the lift. It brings another chance for scattered rain chances on next Saturday. And here's the surface output. Once again, scattered rain chances for today. We go into tomorrow. Scattered rain chances about a 40% chance with high temperatures in the low to mid 80s. It's still going to be a warm day across the east. As that boundary sinks southward, I think Sunday is going to be the best chance for seeing some rain showers. It's still going to be scattered in nature, but a better coverage of showers and thunderstorms on Sunday with temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s. I think that's a good bet for us for your Sunday. Here's Monday afternoon. Still, the GFS painting a little bit more in the way of rain shower activity than what I'm thinking. I think we'll start to dry out Monday afternoon, and we kind of get out of this. I still think temperatures upper 70s, low 80s that afternoon here across the east, but still a lighter chance for showers and thunderstorms, probably about a 30% chance that afternoon. Here's Tuesday afternoon. Like I said, a few rain chances on Tuesday, but I think that's going to be a lower chance, maybe about a 20% chance with about partly cloudy skies with high temperatures low to mid 80s once again. And on to Wednesday. That looks, like I said, banner day for Wednesday with the high pressure system on top of us at that point. And we'll likely see maybe a sea breeze shower, so I'll keep a 10% chance for rain in there, but I think we'll go mostly sunny to partly cloudy that afternoon. Here we are Thursday afternoon, sea breeze showers that day. High pressure still off towards the east, and here comes the cold front. here's Friday afternoon, and you see the cold front basically sitting on top of us as that trough moves through here. So we'll introduce better rain chances for that afternoon, and then the end of the run, and the GFS kind of stalls it right offshore. The European gets it on offshore. So that's some of the differences between the two models. So that'll do it for the ENC weather update for this May the 17th. We'll be out at me and David Sawyer will be out at the Shredathon tomorrow. He's going to be in Jacksonville. I'll be in New Bern. You can also tune in to get the latest weather information this afternoon at 5:36 on WNCT, 10 o'clock on the CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. Have a great afternoon and a great weekend coming up.